What's up guys, this is a video on how to connect a wireless microphone to any smartphone. So firstly I want to apologize to everybody because I made a video less than a year ago telling people how to do this, but I couldn't exactly show them how to do it because I didn't have all the bits and pieces. So right, I've got all the bits and pieces and I can show you that now. So right, firstly I've done a video on all these products here. So if you need any more information, just go and check them out on my channel. So this is the Removu Bluetooth microphone for GoPro cameras. So it's only compatible with the GoPro Hero 4, 3 Plus and 3, but you can use it with smartphones now. So right, I'm going to open this up and show you what we get in the box. So this is what it looks like when it comes in the box. And then here we've got the M1 microphone. So I'll just take that out. And that's what that looks like in a waterproof housing, and it's waterproof up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. So that means you can use it in the rain, you can use it in the snow, you can use it around water and inside water up to 1 meter, but when you're underwater the Bluetooth signal won't work, so you're not going to get any audio, so bear that in mind. So right, I'm going to take this out of here and show you what it looks like. So this is the actual microphone and this is what it looks like, and there's not much on it really. It's got an indicator light for when it's turned on and when it's charging. It's got an on and off switch here, and it's got a Bluetooth pairing button there. On the side here it's got a charging port to charge the built-in batteries. It's got a cover to protect it from any dust or water. And finally underneath we've got a sliding rail so you can attach a couple of different mounts. They've got a GoPro mount and a clip mount, so you can clip it to your clothes or your tie or whatever. So right, I'll actually show you them now. So this is what the clips look like, and like I said, you've got a clip-on clip so you can attach it to your clothes or whatever you need, and you've got one like a GoPro mount. So I'll show you how they attach, and these both will attach to the microphone and to the waterproof housing as well. So I'll show you how it connects up to the waterproof housing. Just simply slides on like that. Now that's attached. The best thing about it, you can rotate it 360 degrees, so you can position it in the right place where you want it. The microphone itself, it's the same thing. It just attaches onto it. It just slides on like so. Now that's connected. You can clip it onto whatever you desire. So right, that's the microphone. And another thing before I forget, it does come with a windsock as well. It's pretty cool actually, but the only issue is I have nearly lost it a few times, so you got to keep an eye on it. It just slips off. But Removu do a dead cat for it, which is worth investing in separately. But yeah, that's the windsock. And this is the A1 receiver. And that's what this looks like, and it's got an on and off switch there, and it's got a Bluetooth pairing button here, along with an amplified mode as well, which I'll show you later. So on the side here we've got a charging port to charge the batteries, and we've got the connection to connect to the microphone here. And that's pretty much it, guys. So originally this was made to connect to the Hero 4 Silver, and I'll show you that now. So simply it used to connect up onto the back of it and hook up onto it, but actually I'm not going to show you that because this video will end up being too long. But if you need any information on how to connect it to the Hero 4 Silver or the Black, I have done a video on that on my channel with a demo. So if you need more information, go and check that out. Another thing, I have done another couple of videos. I've done a video on the Hero 5 session connected to the wireless microphone, and I've done a video on the Hero 5 and the Hero 6 Black connected to the microphone as well. So go and check them out as well. So another thing as well with the A1 receiver and the M1 will work up to 30 meters away, depending on obstructions. so that's good as well. So right guys, before I forget, if you do like this video, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe and leave any comments below. So right guys, in conjunction with that, we'll need this Removu A1 audio cable for this to work. So right, I'll show you what we get in this. And this was originally made for the DSLR cameras with a 3.5mm external microphone jack. And I've done a review on this product and a demo as well. So if you need to check that out, go and please check that out. So right, I'll show you what comes inside it. So we've got this A1 audio cable, a cold shoe adapter, and a mount for the A1 receiver. So the next thing we'll need is this Rode SC4 TRS to TRRS adapter for the audio to be recorded onto a smartphone. Without this, the audio will not record onto the smartphone at all. So I'll show you that now. And that simply just looks like this. So right, I'm going to show you this first of all so you can understand. So all cameras record on these type of connections, which is a tip, ring, sleeve connection. But if you plug this into a smartphone, it will not work. So you need this adapter here, which has got a tip, ring, and a sleeve here. That allows audio to be recorded onto smartphones. So simply we just attach this into the back of here, and that'll adapt it to give us audio onto a smartphone. The next thing we're going to need is a phone holder, and I've got this Ulanzi Iron Man 2 phone holder, and it's a really good phone holder. It's definitely worth investing in. So this is what the phone holder looks like. It's made out of actual metal. It's solid. It doesn't pull apart, so it's not flimsy and it's not going to fall out in any way. And if you can see inside there, it's got rubber pads on the top and bottom to protect your phone. And you have to unscrew it to open it up and close it down. The best thing about it, it's got a cold shoe mount on the top of it, so we can attach things to it. Underneath we've got a 1/4 inch thread, so you can attach any type of tripod to it, any Joby Gorilla Pods, pistol grips, selfie sticks, or hand grips, or even a powered hand grip. So right, that's the phone holder, and we've got all the bits and pieces together now. So right, we're going to put everything together now. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these on and pair them together. So you simply turn it on like this by pressing this button. And that's on. Then you turn this on, and it should automatically pair. So they're paired now. The next thing we're going to do is connect the A1 receiver to the mount, and that simply hooks onto it. There's a hook on this side and there's a slot here, so you just hook it in and then push it down, and it just simply slots in together like that. The next thing we're going to do is connect the cold shoe mount underneath. So that's attached. The next thing we're going to do is attach the phone in the phone holder. Got to be careful with this phone. It's my sister's phone. She'll batter me if I damage it. So when you're tightening it up, tighten it up, but don't over tighten it. You'll know when it's secure and in there. So right, that's in there now. So right, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to put the A1 receiver on there, and we'll screw that down and tighten that up so it doesn't rattle about. So that's attached now. The next thing we'll do is we'll connect the audio lead to it. So that's the audio lead connected to it. We'll connect a tripod to the bottom of it. You can connect any tripod, like I said. I'm just going to connect a small one for the time being. So that's attached now. If you bear with me, just turn the phone on. So there you go, that's connected and attached now, and the microphone's paired with it as well. So I'm just going to stick that on there. And I'll give you, no actually I won't, I'll give you a demo now. So right guys, I'll do you a demo now, and I'm on the Removu Bluetooth microphone, and I'll just show you. I am recording on the wireless microphone, so I'll show you that now. So that's it. Should be able to hear that. So I'm just renovating this house. I'm nearly finished, and I'm just doing this kitchen, and I'll show you my kitchen. And I've just got to finish all the cuts on the tiles. If you don't know already, I do building work and stuff. So I'm pretty proud of what I've done actually, considering I've done everything on my own. So right guys, like I said, this is a microphone, and you can see it working. It'll work up to 30 meters away from the receiver, and it's really good. So right guys, that was the demo, and hopefully you would have come through pretty good, and it's all there for you. Another thing before I finish off, if you don't want to use this phone holder, you can use another type of phone holder, which I'll show you now quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the audio lead, disconnect the A1 receiver, and disconnect the phone from here. So what we'll use is, we can use this type of phone holder, and it pulls apart. On the back of it, it's got a 1/4 inch thread, and it's got a GoPro mount underneath. So right, we'll attach the phone underneath there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect, just bear with me, this 1/4 inch thread, and basically it's got a 1/4 inch thread on that side, a 1/4 inch thread on that side, and it's a coupler, and I've got that off eBay, and I'll see if I can put a link or a picture of that up. So with that, you simply screw it to the back of here, attach that. Next thing we need to do is take this cold shoe mount off the back of here, and then we'll screw this onto the back of here. So that's attached onto there. The next thing we're going to do is connect the audio lead. So that's the audio lead connected. So underneath we're going to connect this powered hand grip, which is really good. It's got a built-in power bank inside, and it's absolutely awesome guys. It's definitely worth investing in one of these, and I have done a review on this as well, and like I said, it makes your life easier. It'll work with any smartphone, and it'll work with any type of camera really, and it will power it up at the same time. So I'm going to attach that to this now. So the best thing about this is, as you know, when you're recording with a mobile phone or anything, your hands tend to shake and they get tired, and it's really difficult to tape after a while. But with this, I've noticed it's absolutely awesome to tape. You can hold it still, your hands don't get tired. You can tilt this up and down, and like I said, it's got a built-in built-in power bank as well. So right, this is how you connect this up, and you can simply attach the microphone to the side here if you want, and you can use it like that. So the built-in power bank is on the side here where you can attach it, and it's got a charging port there, it's got an on and off switch there, and it's got a charging port here to charge devices. So what I did, I actually purchased one of these shorty wires off eBay, and I'll show you that now. And that's what this looks like, and you can simply attach this to the side here, and connect this to the back into the phone, and it'll charge your phone up while you're recording. As you know, smartphones, they do drain their battery very quickly, so if you need to do any type of taping or recording, you just do it with this powered hand grip and it'll last for ages. And it's good for functions, events, birthdays, school plays and things like that. So right guys, to turn it on, you just press the button on the side here and it'll give you 4 indicator lights telling you how much power is there, and it'll turn on. So right, if I can show you this, if you look up here, you can see that it's charging at the moment. And if I press the button again and hold it, that'll turn the power bank off, and as you can see, it's stopped charging now. So right guys, that's how you connect a wireless microphone to a smartphone. And another thing before I go, I have done another video on how to connect it to an SPG gimbal as well with a wireless microphone, and it's definitely worth checking out. No motor noises, absolutely awesome it is, so go and check that out. So right guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos, please. Bye.